Dear students, today is the continuous part of the last video. In the last video, I discussed about formation of a partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constant or arbitrary function. I take one more prompt to explain how to form the partial differential equation. So, the given problem is z is equal to y square plus 2 into f of 1 by x plus log y. In last class I told first we have to find del z by del x, first del z by del y. First using this two value, try to eliminate the function. Otherwise, next we go to RST, that is del square z by del x square, del z by del square z by del x into del y, or del square z by del y square. So, using the given equation, first we have to find del z by del x and also del z by del y. So, partially differentiate z with respect to x. We treat y as a constant, derivative of y square value 0 plus 2 is constant, derivative of the function f of 1 by x plus log y. First, derivative of the function f dash of 1 by x plus log y, okay, into derivative of 1 by x plus log y. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square, derivative of log y value 0. So, this given equation, we know that del z by del x can be written as p is equal to minus 2 by x square into f dash of 1 by x plus log y. Okay, so call it as equation number 1. Next, differentiate z with respect to y, that is del z by del y. We treat x as a constant, derivative of y square value 2y plus 2 into f of 1 by x plus log y. 2 is constant, derivative of the function f dash of 1 by x plus log y into derivative of 1 by x value 0 plus derivative of log y value 1 by y. The given equation can be written as del z by del y can be written as q is equal to 2y plus 2 by y into f dash of 1 by x plus log y. Call it as equation number 2. First, we try to, using this 2 equation, we eliminate the function. Function means we eliminate this f dash of 1 by x plus log y. Is it possible? Think once again. So, here, first here, better here, this equation we can written as, equation 2 can written as q, here minus 2y shift to LHS, it become q minus 2y, which is equal to 2 by y into f dash of 1 by x plus log y. Okay, now then again by cross multiplication we can write y into q minus 2y, which is equal to 2 into f dash of 1 by x plus log y. Okay, call it as equation number 3. So, here this value substitute in this equation, then easy to eliminate now. So, this value is substitute in 3. Substitute in 3 means here p is equal to minus 2 by x square, minus 2 by x square into your 2 into your 2 into f dash of means here minus 1 by x square is constant, 2 into f dash of 1 by x into log y can be written as y into q minus 2y. Now, simplify. So, by cross multiplication it can be written as p x square is equal to minus y into q minus 2y. Is also can be written as p x square plus y into q minus 2y is equal to 0. If you are interested, again simplify. This equation can be written as p x square plus qy minus 2y square is equal to 0. That's it. Okay. Now, I take another problem. Here, in this problem, this is the most repeated question in examination. Z is equal to y into f of x plus x into pi of y. Here, we need to eliminate f of x and also pi of y. So, that was first we have to find p and also q value. P means del z by del x, q means del z by del y. So, differentiate z with respect to x, del z by del x. So, y is constant, derivative of f of x is f dash of x plus x is constant. So, plus pi of y is constant, derivative of x is 1. call it a given equation, call it as equation number 1, this one is equation number 2. Next, del z by del y, differentiate z with respect to y. So, here f of x is constant, derivative of y value 1 plus x is constant, derivative of y value pi dash of y, call it as equation number 3. Okay. Next, think, is it possible to, using this two equation, is it possible to eliminate pi of x, f of x and also pi of y? Think, no. Then we go to next equation. So, differentiate equation 2 with respect to x, that is del square z by del x square. So, this equation is again differentiate with respect to x, treat y as a constant. So, y is constant, derivative of f of x is f dash of x plus derivative of pi of y value 0, call it as equation number 4. Next, better we find mixed partial derivative. Either this equation is different, take any one, either you take second equation or third equation. Suppose you take second equation, so differentiate with respect to y. Suppose you take third equation, then differentiate with respect to x. So, we take any one, we get the same answer. Okay. So, I differentiate equation 2 with respect to y, that is del square z by del y into del x. Now, I treat x as a constant, y is constant, f dash of x is constant, derivative of y value 1. Okay, derivative of y value 1, derivative of pi of y value pi dash of y, call it as equation number 5. Now, try to using this 5 equation, is it possible to eliminate pi of y and also f dash of x? Is it possible? Yes. Yeah. Using this equation, first find f dash of x value. Using this equation find pi dash of y value. Pi dash of y value means here y into pi dash of y f dash of x, which is equal to del z by del x means p minus pi of y. Okay. Then f dash of x, which is equal to p minus pi of y divided by y. Next, using this equation find pi dash of y value. Pi dash of y value means here del z by del y can be written as q, f of x is shift to LHS, that is minus f of x, which is equal to x into pi dash of y. So, pi dash of y, which is equal to q minus f of x. Then pi dash of y, which is equal to x into pi dash of y. Okay, q minus pi of x, q minus pi of x divided by x. Now, these two value substitute in this equation. Now, del square z by del x into del y represented by x is equal to f dash of x value p minus pi of y divided by y plus pi dash of y value q minus f of x divided by x. Again, here pi of y and also f of x is there, again simplify. So, here in RHS take xy as the LCM, then it become x into p minus pi of y plus y into q minus f of x. By cross multiplication, s into xy, which is equal to simplify xp minus x into pi of y plus yq minus y into f of x. Now, in this two term we take minus as the common factor. So, sy is equal to xp plus yq, which is equal to minus is the common factor, we get x into pi of y plus y into f of x. Then x into pi of y plus y of x is represented by z, that is s into xy, which is equal to xp plus yq minus z. That is it. We get the partial differential equation. Here p means del z by del x, q means del z by del y, and s means del square z by del x into del y. Okay. Now, I take another problem. Here in this problem, x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z square equal to 0. Call it as equation number 1. Here in this problem, a and b are the arbitrary constant. We need to eliminate the arbitrary constant. So, that was first directly find del z by del x and also del z by del y. So, derivative of differentiate z with respect to x. Derivative of x minus a whole square value 2 into x minus k into derivative of x is 1, derivative of a value 0 plus y minus b whole square value constant, derivative of constant value 0 plus derivative of z square value 2z, again derivative of z value del z by del x which is equal to 0. Simplify 2 into del z by del x which is equal to minus 2 into x minus a. Your 2 to cancel, then z into del z by del x can be written as p minus of x minus a. Okay, call it as equation number 2. Next, find another equation, that was differentiate with respect to y. Derivative of x minus a whole square value 0, because x is constant, a is also constant. So, derivative of constant value 0, derivative of y minus b whole square value 2 into derivative of y minus b whole square is 2 into y minus b, again derivative of y value 1, derivative of b value 0 plus 2 into derivative of z square value 2z into del z by del y which is equal to 0. So, 2 into y minus b plus, so this one is shift to RHS, it become which is equal to minus 2z del z by del y can be written as q. So, 2 to cancel, okay, then here zq is also can be written as minus y minus b, call it as equation number 3. Now, try to using this 3 equation, is it possible to eliminate arbitrary constant? Think. Yes, here we get x minus a value and also y minus b value. These two values substituted in given equation, then easy to we remove a and b value. So, that was 2 and 3 substitute in 1, that is x minus a value, a minus x minus a whole square is there, it can be done as minus zp, okay, minus zp whole square plus minus y minus b also can be done as minus zq, that is minus zq whole square plus z square which is equal to 0. At last it can be done as zp whole square plus zq whole square plus z square which is equal to 0. It is the model question paper question. Okay. Now, take another problem, that is 2z into x square is 2z is equal to x square by a square plus y square by b square. So, now first find two value, that is del z by del x and also del z by del y. Differentiate z with respect to x. 2 is constant, derivative of z is del z by del x which is equal to derivative of 1 by a square is constant, derivative of x square value 2x by y square by b square value constant, derivative of constant value 0. Then here a 2 become cancel, del z by del x can be written as p is equal to x by a square. Okay, call it as equation number 1 and this one is equation number 2. Now, differentiate z with respect to y. 2 into del z by del y, derivative of a square by a square value 0, derivative of y square value plus 1 by b square is constant, derivative of y square value 2y, then 2 to cancel, del z by del y can be written as q is equal to y by b square. So, call it as equation number 3. Now, try to using this 3 equation, is it possible to eliminate arbitrary constant? Or in this problem, we need to eliminate a and b value. Is it possible? Yes. Here, using this equation, first find a square value. Using this equation, find b square value. These two values set in this equation, equation 1. So, easy to remove arbitrary constant. So, simplify. Here a can be written as, here can be written as a square is equal to x by p. Okay. Then 1 by a square is equal to p by x. Next, here using this equation, b square is equal to y by q. Then 1 by b square is equal to q by y. Now, these two values substitute in 1. Therefore, 2z which is equal to x square into 1 by a square value p by x plus y square into 1 by b square value q by y. y cancel, 1x also cancel. Therefore, z is equal to xp plus yq. Like that we eliminate the arbitrary constant or arbitrary constant to construct the partial differential equation. If you have any doubt or any confusion, please contact me. Thank you.